If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. So today we're going to be making oatmeal raisin cookies, and they are also one of our favorite cookies because it has a sweetness from the raisins and not too much from the sugar. And obviously when you get a bite of the chocolate chips or melted dark chocolate chips, it's the best thing. And today was a really hectic day, but when I came home and I was like, I'm gonna make this recipe for everyone and share it with you guys because it's just the best and I knew you guys are gonna love it. So let's get started and I'll show you all the ingredients. So for the ingredients, I have some raisins here, and what I did with the raisin is that I soaked it in hot water for 1 hour so that they plump up and they become soft. So raisins are ready here. I have vanilla essence, 1 egg, some cinnamon, salt and baking soda, melted butter. This is room temperature. I have old-fashioned rolled oats and brown sugar and all-purpose flour, and finally some dark chocolates because I love dark chocolates. If you want, you can also add semi-sweet chocolate or white chocolate, but I prefer dark chocolate. And I am using my KitchenAid mixer, stand mixer. If you have a hand mixer, go ahead, use that. Take a big bowl, pour in everything like how I'm going to do right now, and use the hand mixer. So let's get started and start mixing up everything so that these hot cookies are going to be ready really quick. And also, if you want the full ingredients with direction and everything, check the description box below. There will be a link to my website where you can find the recipe for this. And also, don't forget to check out other amazing recipes. So first things first, what we're going to do, I have this brown sugar here. I'm going to pour it here. I actually did a mistake by taking all these three things in the same bowl. Don't do that mistake. What I did, just take the brown sugar here and to this, add, oops, I'm kind of very messy today, but that's okay. And add in the melted butter. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to mix it in my stand mixer until they are creamy and there are no lumps. And then I'm going to show you what the next step is going to be. Okay guys, so you can see they are smooth with no lumps. And now I'm going to add 1 egg. And vanilla essence, like all the wet ingredient goes in together. And I'm gonna whisk this again and show you when it's like absolutely done and I can add all the dry ingredients in it. So let's go into that. So now that my eggs are also beaten, you can see it has lightened up in color. What I'm going to do is add flour and oats. They all are going to go in. Oops. It's a heavy bowl. And now finally cinnamon goes in, salt and baking soda goes in, and these are the absolute last 2 ingredients that I'm going to add which I'm going to be mixing with the spatula. For that, everything is in here and I'm going to give it a last mix, and I'm not going to mix it too much that all my oats fall apart or they break or something like that. Just for a good 1 minute until everything is combined and no dry oats or all-purpose flour is left anywhere around, and I'll show it to you then. And finally, this is also done. You can see it has a good mixture right here. It's all binded properly. Now I'm going to add raisins, and I'm going to add my favorite dark chocolate chips. If you want, you can also add like mini chocolate chips. And just give it a mix with the spatula. You don't have to use your hand blender, a hand mixer or anything, or the stand mixer right now, because you don't want to break the chocolate chips or anything. And it's also going to be over mixed if you use the blender right now. So very gently, just give it a mix. It's going to be super delicious. My oven is preheating at 325. I think it's almost ready. Yeah, my oven is ready. And what I did is I lined my baking tray with parchment paper, and that is also ready. So as soon as I'm done mixing this, I have my cookie scoop right here ready. Everything is ready. Well, I'm always ready when I am baking anything or cooking anything, especially in baking, because you don't want to burn anything or delay your work. So always ready for that. Okay, so this is done. And now let me just remove this and get my baking tray here. Also remove this. So I have my cookie scoop ready and my baking tray is ready. So let me start scooping it out and place it in the tray. And these cookies are not going to spread out, so don't worry about that. Just place it right here. Oh wow, this looks amazing. Another scoop. Don't overfill it, just take the exact amount. Perfect. I'm going to do the same for all of this dough and show it to you when everything is placed in the baking tray. Okay, so my cookies are ready. You can see they look beautiful. They are good sizes, big sizes. And if you want, you can obviously make them small, like use a small scoop and make them like tiny cookies. But I like this size for these cookies because they're not going to spread out. And they are ready to go in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to watch them after 10 minutes until they're like slightly golden brown from the sides. And once they're ready and out of the oven and cooled, I'm going to show it to you. And we'll do the taste testing then. They are out of the oven, and do you see how gigantic and delicious and yummy they look? So let me just remind you again, I baked them at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for exactly 15 minutes. And if you are baking a smaller size of these, just keep an eye after 10 minutes so that they don't burn or something, because they'll be smaller sizes. Anyways, I'm super excited to try them, because after this tiring day, I'm like so thankful that I made these cookies, and oh my god, I just feel so good. So let's just take a bite, and let me open it here and show it to you. Oh my god, look at this beauty. It looks so good, and it has like a good crust in here. So let me just take a bite. Oh my god. Oh my god. They are so good. They're not at all too much sweet. The sweetness is coming from the chocolate chips and the raisins and a little bit from the sugar, but oh my god, so worth it. Thank god I made them today. So good. So guys, this is it for today. Hold on. So good. And if you like my recipes, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next recipe. So bye bye, have fun and take care.